What's up, guys? I'm back. I am back. I gotta figure out how to upload my videos, so these videos are gonna probably hit back to back, but doesn't matter. But today I got the Popeyes Luffy Bento Bundle with the classic 2 pieces mac and cheese and gum fruit lemonade and a Chopper's cupcake. Okay, so let's get right into it. And this came out to $18.43. They out of control. You know, Popeyes, it was never that serious for a 2-piece and a drink. Ever. Y'all see everybody else doing these boxes, so y'all want to get in on these anime things. So here is that, you know, regular 2 pieces. Well, they did give me 2 big pieces. I ain't gonna hold y'all, so I know how Popeyes chicken tastes. Okay. You know, regular. This is crazy though. The drink, do y'all see where the drink is in here? And why y'all give me an open straw? I'm not using an open straw. Luckily, I always got stuff in my car. Because if y'all thought I was about to use an open straw, y'all must be out your mind. But let's try this lemonade. The lemonade is, the cup, the lemonade is like right here in the cup. Why? Why y'all put it in this big cup and don't fill it up to the top? Look at where the cup is. Look at where the drink is. Can y'all even see? Look at where the drink is in the cup. It's all the way in the bottom. It's like half full. What the hell? What does that taste like? I probably should try it first. I can't tell if there's an aftertaste because of the chicken. And then we got the Luffy cake or Luffy cake, whatever that is. I have no clue. And I always like Popeyes mac and cheese, so I got that for my side. And they gave napkins. Gotta love the napkins. Thank you. So I'll get into the mac and cheese first because why not? Here is that. Y'all can see it. No, it's Chick-fil-A mac and cheese that I like. I take that back. What's happening here? This don't taste like regular Popeyes mac and cheese that I'm used to. It's supposed to have a little bit of like cheese crust on there, I think. I feel like Popeyes and Chick-fil-A typically do the same type of mac and cheese. I don't know what happened there, but let me get into the drink. Because why is this $18? 2 pieces of chicken, mac and cheese, a drink that's half empty. I don't know if I'm tasting that weird sugar, but I doubt it. That aspartame tastes funny because of the chicken, probably. I don't know. And chicken is good, as usual. Let me try this. I'm gonna bite of everything. If only I could get it open. I don't want it to fly out. Oh, come on. Oh, it smells like candy. I guess I gotta use the same fork and get the cheese off of there. It smells like a Laffy Taffy, like Nerds, like gummies. It smells like candy. I don't know what kind of cake. Oh, it's a strawberry cake. As y'all can see, it's like a strawberry something. Boy, that's diabetes right there. I can't eat that. That is so, it's the frosting. It's not the cake. It's definitely the frosting. The frosting is so daggone sweet. Holy hell. I can't do that. Why y'all put so much sugar in the icing? That literally tastes like diabetes in a cup. It hits you as soon as you bite into it. I'm not eating this. This right here is crazy. I didn't think it was going to be that sweet. The lemonade is all right. Why is the lemonade cup half empty, though? That's the question. Have y'all gotten the lemonade? Can y'all see? I wonder because of the lighting. Like, I could see it. Oh, the sun. This is where the sun is at. But the drink is like right here. I know I took a few sips, but I don't know. Popeyes, get it together. This is not no $18 meal. $9 at best. A half a cup of lemonade, mac and cheese, 2 pieces of chicken and a biscuit and a piece of cake for damn near $20. Y'all think I'm lying? I'm gonna show y'all that receipt. Where is it? $18.43. Can y'all see that? Y'all think I'm lying? That is nuts. That is nuts. I'm not doing that again. $16.79. Like, plus tax. Y'all out y'all damn mind. It was never that. It was never giving $20 for 2 pieces of chicken. Because y'all put whoever Luffy is on the box. It was never giving, because I'm not keeping the box. The box, is it going to be worth something in 20 years? I'm not understanding where y'all get these prices from for these fast food meals. The chicken is decent. It's Popeyes Chicken. So for marketing purposes, all y'all do is add 1 or 2 new different items. And then y'all say, we're going to charge an astronomical price. I mean, I got a nice piece of chicken, but $20. It was never given that. It was never worth that much in the first place. And I didn't even get no honey for my biscuit. And I know this biscuit is dry. It was never that serious. Y'all doing too much with these prices. Can we get back to like normalcy? This is not worth $20. It's not. I got a half a cup of juice. I mean, a diabetes cake. And I said I wasn't going to order it either. Every time I order one of these meals, I'm always pissed off. Only one that had it was like, was it the McDonald's that was okay? I can't remember. Somebody had a decent one that I reviewed. But none of them have been like, oh, wow, yeah, this is amazing. No. I mean, I don't know what else to tell y'all. Should y'all... I almost dropped it. Should y'all go spend y'all money on this? No, just get a regular degular meal. Almost dropped it. That's to show you. But I dropped a bunch of crumbs, which is gonna piss me off. Oh my gosh. It never fails. Every day. Every day I drop more and more stuff in this car. But I mean, save your money. Do not go to Popeyes to get this bento box for no damn $15, $18, $20, whatever the hell they charge in your area. Just get you a 2-piece meal. The cake is not worth it. I got a half cup of lemonade. What else is there? Mac and cheese and 2 pieces of chicken. You could get that. What's the price? What's the going rate on that at Popeyes? Like, isn't it like under $10 anyway? Just get that. This lemonade is not nothing to write home about. I'm trying to taste it to see. It's like you drink it and the flavor is not there somehow. I don't know if that makes sense, but like I taste it, but I also don't taste it. Like I'm not catching anything. It's like almost, maybe that's what artificial flavor is. I don't know. Don't get me to start the line. I'm not impressed. Wasted my money. Don't waste yours.